Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to remove and sharpen your lawnmower blades and then put them back on. Very simple process, no craziness with grinders and all that nutty stuff that a lot of folks show you. So check it out. Make sure you got the correct spec Allen wrench ratcheting socket wrench, I should say, not Allen wrench, ratcheting socket wrench, make your life a little bit easier. As you see, I put that screwdriver, there's a hole, every lawnmower has it, you put the screwdriver there so it locks those blades in place so they don't spin on you when you're trying to loosen them or tighten them. Remove that middle bolt and the collar, and there you go. Blades are removed successfully. Alright, look at the sharpener I got, folks. Very, very simple sharpener. It was probably about like $15, $20. I could put a link if you're interested. It's a cobalt sharpener. Very strong, lasts forever. You just do a few strokes on the blades on each side. It has an angled blade on there as well, pre-angled, so it determines the angle of the sharpening of the sharp edge. So you don't have to think about it. Oh, what angle do I need to hold the grinder at and all that? Nope, it's all pre-angled for you, folks. So what I'm doing is 20 strokes on each blade. I'm keeping it super simple. The same amount of strokes, though, let's just put it that way, on every single blade on both sides. And then we're going to balance it and make sure that it's floating and not touching the floor as it's balancing. And I'll show you the little balancer that I have as well. That also was just a few dollars. I can post a link on that for you if you are interested. Alrighty, let's check it out, folks. Are they sharp? Do you see the shine? Do you see that sharp edge? Can you feel it with your finger? Look at that. Pretty good. I would say good enough for government work. Alright, here's that little conical balancer I was telling you about. See this? This is all you need to just ensure on a nice flat surface, such as your garage floor, that your blades of your lawnmower are successfully balanced. Not only sharpened, but balanced. Very important for a nice, even, and safe cut. Yeah, I would say close enough for government work. I'm gonna flip it over a couple times, just test it out, make sure it's perfectly seated onto that conical balancer. As you see, it's leaning a little bit there, but I'm just gonna try it a few more times, a few more ways, just make sure it's good. Yeah, I would say that's good. Now, if you notice that it's leaning one way or another, let's say it's leaning to the right too low, then you would want to resharpen that right side. So you take a little bit of more material off of it, and then that side should now lift up, and that's how you slowly get it balanced. Does that make sense? Let me know how you balance your blades. All right, let's reinstall this. It clearly states on your blades, every lawnmower blade says, this side facing the grass. So make sure that this side is facing the grass. Put the collar back on. Yep. And get that bolt back on. And you want to make sure it's just hand tight. Do not over tighten. You can break the bolt. It'll cease and break. So just one little click, and you're good to go with that ratcheting socket. Put the screwdriver in there so it doesn't go past. There, it locks it into place. And a 1, 2, 3, and you're good, guys. Let's go! Alrighty, folks, let's talk about another follow-up. It's been over 2 weeks since the last time I sprayed my weed killer, Celsius and Halo, for the sedge and for that nasty dove weed. Yuck. I think it's dove weed. But I am very happy to report Check it out. Look how yellowed and dried up and frizzled up these weeds are. It's working, folks. Is it slow? Hell yeah, it's slow. But it's working. That's what matters. Is my grass all fried up? Hell no. My grass is not fried up. And guess what else? Once again, Celsius and Halo, I don't have to worry about what the temperature is outside. Is it 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 84 degrees? I don't care. Who cares? I don't know. I don't care. I don't think about it. I just spray whenever I got those weeds, and it just takes a longer time compared to some of the other products. But guess what? I'd rather have that peace of mind and not frying up my damn grass, worrying about what the temperature is like, the sun is up, the sun is down, whatever have you, right? Not only did I spray the weeds, but I also threw down quite a bit here and there in those nasty dry patches and weed patches. I threw down quite a bit of black cow. K-O-W, black cow. Those yellow bags, I'm sure you see them at Home Depot and Lowe's everywhere. Those are my favorite now for soil amendment, folks. Soil amendment, or topsoil, whatever you want to call it, right? And you can use a combination of that and sand if you want to do sand leveling as well. Here's that nasty weed patch that has been a forever problem on this side of my lawn. But as you can see, these weeds are fried up. And little by little, the grass is there. And it's green. The grass is pretty damn green, right? And we're getting toward the fall now as things are going to start eventually going dormant. This patch is not so great. This is a beast of a patch, let me tell you what. So it's still a little bit green, but look at all that yellow that I also see in there. The system is working. Trust the process, right? So again, Halo 1 pack and Celsius 1 pack. One kills all the grassy, sedgy weeds. One kills all the broadleaf and a variety of different weeds, right? And as you can see, look, there's little spits and spots of dryness. That's where all those weeds died. And then as you can see, the grass itself is green, but the weeds are all yellow and browning out slowly. And those darker patches you see, that's where I laid down the black cow, right? My soil amendment. So I'm happy to report. Looks like things are faring out for the most part, folks. You tell me, let me know your thoughts, but yeah, it's been pretty brutal on this side of my lawn, so I'm gonna just keep posting video after video. Even if I'm doing random videos like sharpening lawnmower blades, I'm gonna every so often show you my lawn so you can see the progress over the weeks and months. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think and let me know how you are doing in your lawn. Almost forgot to mention, just recently I threw down a bag of Yard Mastery flagship fertilizer. I believe it's 2606 or 4. I can't remember. 2604, something like that. Check it out. Yard Mastery flagship. It's the blue bag fertilizer on yardmastery.com. So that was a part of my app program, right, for this month, was to throw down flagship. That's a granule. And then also later, once I'm ready, I'm going to spray down some spoon juice as well, which is a liquid fertilizer with liquid biostimulants, our favorite thing, right, folks? We love those biostimulants. So that's a part of my app. And then I believe next month, another month or a month and a half from now, I'm going to do another app of spoon juice, and I'm going to do an app of potassium. You might be wondering what the potassium is for. That's going to get us ready for the winter and that nasty freeze and the dormancy. It's going to help keep those roots of the grass strong and keep the grass surviving as it goes into that dormancy that we all hate so much because we're warm season folks, right? This is Florida, right? But I'm Northeast Florida, and I'm going to miss lawn care for a few months coming up. All right, folks. Talk to you soon.